test for albumin is a procedure that checks the presence of albumin in the urine using heat and acetic acid. This method depends upon the precipitation of protein by chemical agents or coagulation by heat. While Benedict's test is a test for the presence of sugar in the urine using a Benedict solution. The Benedict solution is an alkaline copper sulfate reagent. When heated, is reduced to cuprous oxide by the action of glucose and other reducing sugar. For the preparation, prepare and gather all materials you need in performing the procedures. Review records or reports like the ITR, family health record, antepartum record, etc. for client's condition and previous laboratory results. Ascertain client's knowledge about the test, like for example, is the first time for the client to have this test, then it is essential that you have to provide a detailed information or instruction about the test. Assess the environment prior to the test, plan for any modification, wash hands, and wear apron. You wear clean gloves. This procedure, I have to wear clean gloves because I'm going to hold a urine coming from the client, and also I have to be very careful. I might be allergic to some solution. First, next step, explain the procedure, inform the client of the purpose and how the client can assist, and ask client to secure urine specimen. Explain that the specimen must be free of fecal contamination. Give patient specimen container and ask patient to void about 20 cc or 20 ml directly into the specimen container. Further, instruct the client to collect urine during the middle portion of voiding. This is to secure a clean cut midstream urine. Then cover the container and wipe. And arrange materials including the freshly secured urine. Test for albumin. First, you fill the test tube with 3/4 full of urine. And then light the alcohol lamp. Gently heat the upper portion to boil. Ensure that the opening of the test tube does not face the nares. This is to prevent spillage or splashes of urine towards the nares. Boil for 1 to 2 minutes, being careful not to shake the tube. And rotate the tube while boiling. This is or you move the tube back and forth. This is to prevent cracking. Then hold the test tube against the light and examine for a cloudy ring. If there is a ring, add 3 to 5 drops of 10% acetic acid, boiling between drops. Hold the test tube against the black background and observe results and record note amount present. For this test, the result is negative. No cloudiness is perceptible. Then let's proceed to test for urine sugar. In another test tube, you place 2 cc or 30 drops of Benedict solution and heat over flame. Add 3 to 5 drops of urine, mix by shaking, boiling vigorously for 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You boil for 2 minutes, and then change in color and read at once before precipitates settle. To mark cloudy green, so the result is negative. Then pour solution to waste can and then clean all the materials used. Then rinse test tubes and wrappers well, use soap or soapy solution. Clean and dry other materials and return all clean alcoholized materials and place used or sold materials in a separate container, pouch, or paper bag. Wash hands and give necessary health teachings and advice based on client's present condition, record result or findings and other information or data.